Welcome to Q&A Wire.
We are going to calculate the total load acting on beam is equal to W, or W is equal to half into L into W. Here is L is length of beam and W is distributed load is equal to half into 2 into 800 is equal to 800 Newton. Now we are going further to calculate the centroid of triangle, as we can write as from B we can write x dash is equal to 1 by 3 into 2 is equal to 2 by 3. From A we can write as x dash is equal to 2 by 3 into 2 is equal to 4 by 3. Now going further, we can draw the free body diagram of beam AB. So drawing the free body diagram of AB very carefully and showing all the forces acting on it. Here it is A, here it is B, here it is W 800 Newton. Now we will write all the forces, that is AY, AX, and here it is FB, and here it is NB. Now taking moment about point A, we can write further as, or summation of ME is equal to 0. On calculating, we can write minus W into 4 by 3 plus NB into 2 is equal to 0. On calculating, we get 2NB is equal to 4 by 3 into 800. So NB is 533.33 Newton. Now going further, we can write the free body diagram of post BC. So drawing the free body diagram of post BC, showing all the forces acting on post BC. Here it is NB, here it is FB, here it is P at angle alpha, and here it is NC and FC. Now going further, we can write as alpha is equal to angle made by P with horizontal. So alpha can be calculated as, from figure we can write tan alpha is equal to 3 by 4, or alpha is equal to 36.87 degree. Taking moment about point C, we can write summation of MC is equal to 0. On going further, we can write FB into 700 minus P cos alpha into 300 is equal to 0, or 700 into FB is equal to 300 into 150 into cos 36.87. On calculating, we get FB is equal to 51.4285 Newton. Now we will go to solve the problem further, writing mu b is coefficient of static friction at point B is equal to Fb by Nb. On putting the value, we can write as 533.33 by 51.4285, or mu b is equal to 0.0964. That is our answer. Now solving further, we can write for bar BC, taking moment, solving fx is equal to 0. So p cos alpha minus fb minus fc is equal to 0, or 150 into cos 36.87 minus 51.4285 minus fc is equal to 0, or solving Fc is equal to 68.5715 Newton. Now we will go further to solve this problem, taking summation of Fy is equal to 0 and solving we can write P sin alpha plus Nc minus Nb minus Wp is equal to 0 or 150 sin 36.87 plus Nc minus 533.33 minus 50 into 9.81 is equal to 0. On solving we get Nc is equal to 933.83 Newton. Now going further we can write as mu c is equal to coefficient of static friction acting at point C is equal to Fc by Nc. Putting the value we get 68.5715 by 933.83. On solving we get mu c is equal to 0.0734. That is our answer.